Hello there and welcome to a series of videos that are going to help you break down the Year 8 fitness assignment, and this video is on Section A. Your teacher no doubt has given you access to the assignment sheet, which looks like this. It's 2 pages long, it's full of information, and you're probably going, that's a lot to look at. And that's where these videos come in. They're going to help you break down each of the sections of the assignment. So let's have a look. Section A, which is this video's focus, is looking at fitness testing. So when your teacher's ready, they're going to start you with the fitness testing, and you will need to complete a series of fitness tests at home. Your teacher will provide you with a PowerPoint that will explain how to do each of the fitness tests. And you'll also have a Word document where you can record your fitness test results. You're going to need to keep these for the assignment, obviously, so let's have a little look. Mr. Courtley has put together a fantastic PowerPoint that explains how to do each and every fitness test. So you can work your way through the PowerPoint doing the fitness test results, and then you're going to want to record them. And lucky for you, Ms. Hyam has put together a fantastic worksheet here. You just need to look for what test you just did and put your score in. So each of those are available for you. And that's all you need to do for Section A. So good luck.